Holi is a Hindu festival that celebrates the arrival of spring, the triumph of good over evil, and the end of winter. It's a time for people to come together, forgive one another, and repair broken relationships. The festival is characterized by the throwing of colored powder and water, which symbolizes joy, vitality, and the colorful nature of life. The celebration of Holi is rooted in Hindu mythology, particularly the legend of Holika and Prahlad. According to the story, an evil king named Hiranyakashipu wanted everyone to worship him, but his son Prahlad remained faithful to the god Vishnu. The king asked his sister Holika, who was immune to fire, to burn Prahlad, but through divine intervention, Holika was instead consumed by the flames, and Prahlad emerged unharmed. Holi is a joyous celebration of Prahlad's devotion and the triumph of good over evil. The festival also honors the Hindu god Krishna and his playful nature, as well as the spring season's arrival and the abundance it brings.